Welcome. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of Boolean algebra. We will specifically be focusing on its fundamental laws and theorems. The key topics that will be covered in this presentation include De Morgan's laws, absorption laws, and other fundamental theorems. Let's start with the fundamentals of Boolean algebra. The basic operations include and, represented as a dot b, or represented as a plus b, and not represented as a prime. In Boolean algebra, we deal with Boolean values where true is represented by 1 and false is represented by 0. These binary representations are used for logical operations. Let's explore some basic Boolean laws. The first one is the identity law. For and a and 1 equals a. For or a or 0 equals a. Next, we have complement laws. For and a and a prime equals 0. For or a prime equals 1. Now let us discuss the commutative and associative laws in Boolean algebra. In commutative laws, for and b is equivalent to b and a. Similarly, for or a or b is equivalent to b or a. For associative laws, for and b enclosed in parentheses and c is equivalent to a and b and c enclosed in parentheses. For or a or b, enclosed in parentheses or c, is equivalent to a or b or c enclosed in parentheses. Let us understand the distributive laws in Boolean algebra. The first one is an over or distribution, which states that a and b or c is equivalent to a and b or a and c. This means that the and operation distributes over the or operation. The second one is or over and distribution, which states that a or b and c is equivalent to a or b and a or c. This means that the or operation distributes over the and operation. Now let us explore De Morgan's laws. The first law states that the complement of a and b is equal to a complement or b complement. In simpler terms, the complement of an equals or of complements. The second law states that the complement of a or b is equal to a complement and b complement. In simpler terms, the complement of or equals and of complements. Let us take a look at the absorption laws. The first absorption law states that a or a and b equals a. In simpler terms, a variable absorbs its and with any other variable. The second absorption law states that a and a or b equals a. In simpler terms, a variable absorbs its or with any other variable. Let's explore additional theorems in Boolean algebra. We have idempotent laws where for and a equals a, and for or a equals a. We also have involution where the complement of a complement equals a. We have dominance laws where for and a and 0 equals 0, and for or a or 1 equals 1. Finally, we have consensus where ab plus a complement c plus bc equals ab plus a complement c. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.